What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode on the Ballad of B. Moeller. We're going to shut up and get right into it, but before we do, this episode is going to consist of sheathing that roof and putting that ice and water shield on. It was a hell of a week. We got through it. We look forward to showing you this end product, but we sure did have to struggle and fight through some things. Let's get into it. Doing layout, gonna frame out this dormer. Gonna start sheathing this south side. We go 3 rows up on each side and sheathe until this is figured out. We got our layout on the floor. We're gonna build it on the floor, pull it up, set that big ridge beam in, and run our rafters down from that. It'll be a 12-12 pitch too. Do the same thing on this side. Layout for our dormer, he's gonna frame it. Gonna pull this wall up. Then hang a big LVL. North side of the house is all sheathed up into the ridge beam. I'm gonna walk up and see this dormer wall that we just framed out and stood up. Sit on top of the wall. Need a cord. Okay, so we figured out our dormer situation. It actually went up quite smooth. Ridge beam. Those 2 LVLs are sitting good. And got this sheathed for this south wall to be tied in, be strong. 2 more rows up top. We're kind of waiting until we bring those rafters for that dormer. And then we got this south side. Gonna finish sheathing all of this, building out this dormer that you'll see, and then that way we can ice and water shield for our mid-roof inspection. This is all sheathed. Just gotta finish framing this out real quick. Put a couple pieces of 4x8. Ice and water shield. Gotta get this valley for this dormer. Starting to get that snow like we talked about coming in. Damn near finished sheathing. Doing this ice and water shield. A couple more strips. Hold on to it for a second for me real quick. Miles, I need another 20. 1 sec. Got it. This is literally all we got left right here. It wants to dump on us. You like it?
Yeah.
Nice. Supposed to dump tonight. We were really good, but not good enough. I didn't want anyone getting hurt closing that up, so we're gonna let the snow pass tonight. Get up there tomorrow once we get some solar. Close this puppy up. Down here on the pump jack, it's really nice after a hard night of snow and probably got almost a foot. When I told you we were like 95% there with sheathing this thing and closing it in, drying it in. Let's get up there and let's get her done. Gotta get a overlap over this ridge, clear everything off. See, this side gets no solar. This side, fortunately, gets all the solar. Trying to close shop. Last of this roof, baby. I'll be ready. Sheesh, boys. Got her done. Not that cool to be up working on the roof when you're not secured, not tied in. I do want to say I am a big advocate of safety first, working smart, working safe, and smooth is fast, okay? You didn't really see it, but I was tied off most of this time. I was always a reach away from some rope, and you know, a lot of guys wouldn't agree with that. That's my personal choice. That's how I feel comfortable up there. That's how I work fast. I do want to say I am an advocate of always being harnessed and having a safety rope when you're working on the roof. Okay guys, that's it for us. We had a long week. We hope you learned a thing or two. Everyone stayed safe. We all look forward to having a day or two off. We'll see you next episode. We're gonna put that roof on. Still got a lot of work inside to do, a lot of work we look forward to showing you guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, keep following the playlist on the log cabin kit, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.